Good morning children. This video is for class 2 children and the subject is computer. So all of you just take out your computer book and open the chapter which we have learned previous class. That is the lesson number 5 and the name of this chapter is mouse and input device. So this one we have already started in part 1 video, that is on 15th of September I have given. So in this chapter we have to learn about the mouse. Mouse, all of you know that mouse is an input device. And what do you mean by input device? The device which is used to feed data or instructions into the computer is called input device. So all of you know that mouse is an input device. And in last class, in previous class, we have seen the picture of mouse. We have also learned about the different buttons of mouse. That mouse is having two buttons, left button and right button. Generally we are using left button, but in some cases we have to use right button. Also we have learned about the definition of mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is an input device. It is a handheld pointing device that helps to select any object on the screen. This chapter is given in page number 28. So this is the definition of mouse. It is used to draw and move the object, pictures, etc. on the screen. In previous video also we have learned how to use the mouse, how we have to use the mouse. So what are the steps we have to follow? First you have to place the forehand over the mouse. Just look at this picture, like this you have to hold the mouse. So place the forehand over the mouse, hold the mouse by putting your palm on the body of the mouse, such that the index finger, this is called index, generally these two fingers we are using, this finger is called index finger. We have to keep this index finger on the left button of mouse, and this finger is called middle finger, and we have to put this middle finger on the right button of the mouse. So such that the index finger is on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Move the mouse slowly over the table or over the mouse pad. So while working with your mouse, you have to just move the mouse slowly on the table or the mouse pad. Common terms also we have learned. Two terms we have learned that related with the mouse. That is, first one is the pointing. Pointing means to move the mouse pointer to the required place on the computer screen. How you are moving your mouse on your table or on your mouse pad, the pointer is moving on the monitor, on the screen, in that direction only. The next term we have learned, that is the click. What do you mean by click? Click means to press the left button of the mouse once and to release it quickly. It helps to select an object like an icon, an option or tool button, etc. So these are the two terms already we have learned in previous class. In today's class I have given the name of this video is part 2, computer part 2, and I have also written the today's date. It is 17th of September. So this is here also another 3 terms related with the mouse we have learned today in this video. The first one is double click. What do you mean by double click? It means pressing the left button of the mouse twice in a quick repetition to start or open a application after placing the mouse pointer on that item. So what do you mean by double click? Double click means pressing the left button of the mouse twice in a quick repetition to start a program. The next term we have to learn, that is the right click. It means to press the right button of mouse and to release it quickly. It helps to open shortcut or context menu. Right click means in previous video and in today's video also I have told how to hold the mouse. I have told you generally these two fingers we are using while working with mouse. This finger is called index finger and this finger is called middle finger. So we have to place index finger on the left button of mouse and this middle finger on the right button of mouse. Okay, so right click means we have to press this middle finger, that is we have to kept on right button of the mouse. So it means to press the right button of mouse and to release it quickly. It helps to open shortcut or context menu. Right click, what do you mean by right click? Right click means to press the right button of mouse and to release it quickly. The next term we have to learn, that is drag. What do you mean by drag? Drag means to select or to move an icon, file, folder or a picture on the screen. If you want to move the picture, folder or any file on the screen, then that work also we can do, and that is called dragging. In order to drag, put the mouse pointer on the desired icon on the screen. Which icon you want to drag, you have to just place the mouse pointer on that icon by moving the mouse and then press the mouse button, and without releasing the button, move the pointer to the destination point and release the button. What you have to do, you have to just place the mouse pointer on that particular icon, then you have to use this finger and you have to press the left button, and without releasing it you have to just move the mouse. Your icon is also moving on the screen where you want. You have to do it, you can do it. That work is called drag. So these are the three another new term which we have learned in today class. Once again I am repeating it. The first one is double click. It means pressing the left button of the mouse twice in a quick repetition to start or open a program. The next term we have learned, that is the right click. It means to press the right button of the mouse and to release it quickly. Next term we have learned, that is the drag. Drag means if you want to move any icon or any picture, any file or folder on the screen from one place to another place, that is called drag. And how we can drag any icon or folder or file on the screen? So in order to drag, put the mouse pointer on the desired icon on the screen, then you just press this left button without releasing it, move the mouse, the pointer is moving and your icon is also moving, and where you want to place it, you have to just move the icon on that place and release the button. That process is called drag. So that's all for today's class. In next class we will meet with this exercise chapter. This is the activity, and this one we are going to start in next video. So be ready with your book, pencil and then your computer copy. So till that, thank you and have a nice day.